Today we're taking a sneak peek at something pretty exciting in the gaming laptop world. This is the new Razer Blade Pro 17, which is an update to a laptop we haven't seen in a couple of years now. So here's everything that's new about this laptop. So the first up is the design. Obviously you can tell by looking at it, Razer has brought the Pro 17 up to speed with the rest of the Razer Blade lineup. And that's mostly a really good thing from what we can see here, because I mean, I really like that design, the boxier shape, the thinned out bezels, and the awesome touchpad and keyboard. So all of that is a really good thing. And also they've cut out some weight and some thickness from it. It's now just 6 pounds, which is pretty impressive for a 17-inch gaming laptop. The biggest change from the 2017 model is the placement of the touchpad and keyboard, which is now in a more conventional setup, whereas before it was side by side. And Razer says they've done that change to make an overall smaller footprint of the chassis and to kind of make all the designs a little more streamlined across the board. There is, however, a new processor inside. This Razer Blade Pro has the 9th generation Core i7-9750H processor from Intel, and we don't know a ton about this CPU as of recording this, but we do know it's another 6-core, 12-thread processor from Intel that should give a minor boost to the performance of this laptop. Because this sits on the higher end of Razer's lineup, it does have their vapor chamber cooling system inside, which they debuted with the Razer Blade. And we're happy to see that here, and it's got some new ventilation along the hinge here that should give some better airflow. And in general, you know, we're hoping that this 17-inch model gives a little bit better performance than the 15-inch model, but we'll at least see some better cooling here that should keep temperatures pretty low. So in terms of ports, what you're getting is a selection that's pretty similar to last time, except everything has been updated. So all the USB ports are now USB 3.2 Gen 2. But on this side, you have a full-size SD card slot, a USB-C port, a USB-A port, and an HDMI port. And then on the other side, you have Razer's proprietary power port and the Ethernet jack, 2 USB-A ports, a USB-C port, and a combined headphone mic jack. The other USB-C port is a Thunderbolt 3 port, so you can support external graphics. Across the board, in all the configurations, you're getting a 1080p screen that goes up to 144 Hertz for your refresh rate, which has become pretty standard across the board in gaming laptops these days. Happy to see that here. A 4K option is not currently going to be offered in the Razer Blade Pro. Kind of weird to see that, because we might actually be able to push the higher frame rates on a 4K screen in a device this powerful, but it's not currently an option. There is some upgradability here. You can add in some more RAM if you want, or there's an extra M.2 slot if you want to add in some more storage. So that's good to see on an expensive laptop like this. Price range starts at $24.99, goes all the way up to $31.99 for the RTX 2080 Max Q version. So this can get to be a very expensive gaming laptop. The Razer Blade Pro 17 goes on sale sometime in May. We don't have a firm release date on that yet, but we're gonna get it soon, and hopefully we're gonna get a full review going and do all of our testing on it. So leave us a comment below and let us know what you wanna know about this laptop. And make sure to subscribe so you can get that video review when it comes.